they took this tree down. It was up on that level. And when it came down, it kind of trimmed that one, which is probably good because, well, there's a widowmaker up there, but it's, anyway, it will prevent things from falling on the house. So that's a good thing, right? So 2, 3 trees were downed here. There's one more over there that needs to come down.
Wow, look at that. That's all we got.
And that's an example of why we cut them down.
Wow.
Because they are in bad shape.
Yep.
Dying, dead like that one, or dying on their way out.
That's awful.
Some of them have what the Indians would call a drinking tree. Got a big hole at the bottom of it, or water pools, which you know decays. And a lot of them were split, so
pretty.
and that one doesn't look good either, that one that's down. They're coming back tomorrow to finish cleaning up and put their stuff over there in case the neighbors come. So you see how that's hollow in the center? And it was split on the outside, and that's one of the reasons we cut them down. And this is, wow, all gonna have to be cut up with a log splitter. We're thinking about buying one to make our lives easier, but that is a lot of wood. Next thing we got to do once everything's cleaned up is build a wood lean-to for all this wood to be stored in. Ton of wood. Here's the other side of that ginormous pile. We're gonna have cordwood for a while.
Yep.
That's a perfect example of some of these trees. And it looks like, I don't know, two were growing together. And then that happened. But anything with a hole in it's gotta go. It's like a recipe for a disaster. Nasty. And if you look at it closely, you can see it's pretty rotten. If he's gonna lift them, but he got his chainsaw stuck. Okay, just going. Holy smoke. And there's a small log, but man, they're heavy. Especially with all the water in. Gracias. Benny is using his excavator to grab all of these logs, take them over there so these guys can buck them up. And eventually we'll come back with a log splitter and make them into cordwood. The reason I'm having them move those black pellets, and those are solid rubber, never rust, which we're keeping. And we don't know why, but we are. I'm sure we'll find a use for them. We like to recycle. But that tree started cutting. That one right, where's my finger? Right there. You got the eye shape out of it. Anyway, it'll fall right there, and I don't want them to break those things. That's why they're moving them now. Shit. It's obviously going the opposite way he wants it to go. So standing up here, I'm going to watch out too. I don't need to get hit by that thing. They need Benny's help, and he's just standing there watching. I don't know if he can reach it with that excavator. Maybe he's coming over to help. That could land right on my camera. That wouldn't be good. Pray it doesn't. Nope, Benny ain't doing anything to help him with that. I have no idea what he's doing. This is gonna run over all my boards and all my stuff. I guess they don't want those things. He's coming up here to help push that thing, because he couldn't reach it from down there. Okay, this is cool. I'm glad he moved all of those black pellets because they would have been crushed.